Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making butter swim biscuits. What are butter swim biscuits? I'd like you to imagine biscuits having a lovely day swimming in butter. That's pretty much exactly what it is. Butter goes in the pan, the batter goes in the pan, goes in the oven, out it comes, and those biscuits have absorbed all of that butter. Yummy! Have I made this before? Never, of course not. We're baking it together. Of course, I was inspired by this song. Butter swim biscuits are in the pan, are in the oven, that's the plan. That is the plan, and we're gonna do it together. First things first, preheat your oven to a very hot 450 degrees. Butter in your pan. Into the oven for about 6 minutes until it's very melted. All-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, salt. Whisk together, buttermilk, stir in. Time's up, it's melted and popping. Let's take it out. Do this carefully because it is very hot. Transfer your batter evenly as possible to your baking pan. We're going to spread it out. Using a sharp knife, cut the batter best you can into 9 equal pieces here. And again, it's not going to be perfect. We'll go over this again. Into the oven for 25 minutes until the edges are crisp and it's a nice golden brown. It got golden. Let it rest for 3 minutes and then we'll recut it a little bit and we dive in. Look at this great looking butter swim biscuit. It is super fluffy. Smells delicious. And again, it was really swimming in all the butter, but notice where'd the butter go? It's in the biscuit. So let's give it a try because it's all in the taste. It's crispy on top. Okay, let's go in. This is a great biscuit. It reminds me of something that I had in New Orleans and in other states in the South. It is a very light and fluffy biscuit. It doesn't have those layers, but boy, does it have that flavor and that butter. Yum, enjoy. If I can make these butter swim biscuits for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram and TikTok for so much more, like a lot more.